Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotter YouTube channel. Alright, in this video I will share a tutorial on how to overcome a slow keyboard on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Okay, first open the keyboard on your cell phone. Okay, if your keyboard is slow, you can turn off autocorrect feature on your keyboard. Here you can see the grid icon, namely the keyboard setting, and then you can click and go for it. And where the option, you can see the correction text, and then you can click and you can scroll down a little bit and you can disable auto correction. And this will help a little to reduce the slow problem because your keyboard no longer needs to detect what sentence you are writing, so that the keyboard is not too heavy anymore in working. Okay, the second step, you can clear the cache of your keyboard. You can long press on the keyboard and go to apps info. Alright, now you can go to storage and cache and you can clear the cache of your keyboard. And clearing the keyboard cache is also one of the things that can help with keyboard slowdown. And the last step is that you must use the default keyboard from your mobile phone and not use other application, because usually in other application there are features that make your keyboard heavy and become slow when used. Alright, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.